David Fryer, I'm coming for your ass!
警察が多いよね。サムサムね。あっちゃん、どうしたんだろう。警察が多いよね。なんかあったのかな、ここで。ねえ、1台、2台だった？なんでだろうね。おはよう。おはよう。日曜日の朝だね。日曜日の朝ドラ。今日の日曜日の朝ドラはいつもより楽しいかもしれないよね。というのは昨日の夜いろんな人から連絡があって、スティーブさん、今日はスーパーカーサンデーはフェラリーデーだと。友達のアダムさんはテストローサを出すって言ってるのと、それとね、地元のこの辺に住んでいる日本車好きなアメリカ人たち、若者たちと合流になって、その後アダムと合流になってスーパーカーサンデーのデビューですね。この車で楽しみです。加速が楽しいんだよね。本当にあっという間にこの車がもうスピーディー違反になりやすいんだよね。フェラーリって本当にもう全然アクセルを踏まなくてもシューッと行く車なんで楽しい。Damon Fryer, I'm coming for your ass right now, baby! ガソリン入れましょう。今日はシェルですね。このスタンドもなかなか綺麗なスタンドですよ。悪くはないシェル。So I realized another little issue. This will be a California issue for the most part. Bunch of you guys gave me some good suggestions the other day. Look, gotta pull this back in order to get gas into this car. It will not work without pulling this back. So, a couple of you guys had a pretty good idea. A couple of you guys said, get some PVC pipe, a little piece of like a PVC coupler. Keep it with you in the car. In which case, then I imagine what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the PVC coupler around the nozzle in here. It's gonna take up that gap and then, boom, that'll push it back. Simple little DIY trick. I like that. Thanks for the ideas, guys. I really appreciate the input. That works. But here in California, this is what we deal with. I think I don't even know if we're full because it's kind of hard to tell. But in the meantime, I think we're full enough. かっこいい棒。ほら、やっぱり黄色ランプがいいよね。かっけえ。ナイス。この音はじゃあ Ready? いいね。What's up, guys? What's going on? We got a big crew coming in, man. I got about 6-7 cars with us. What's up, Melly Jelly?
Godzilla, another Godzilla.
We got a whole
Red Line.
We got a nice mix today. those of you who don't live in this area, don't know this event, this is the official Supercar Sunday. Takes place at Pierce College every Sunday morning. Once a month they have a big themed event, a marquee as they call it. And today I think we'll be able to actually park within the marquee. 240Z! Nice. So many cool cars out there, man. Just gotta love all kinds of cars. It's not just about supercars, but you gotta love everything. You love this car more because you like a car like that. That's what I say. That's my way, at least. Anyway, Ferrari, they can't wait. Should be a nice debut for the SPOV 458, as we're gonna start calling it. The SPOV 458, new code word for this car. Here we come.
Hey, Steve's POV, your new Ferrari.
Do I get to park in the marquee today, finally?
Finally.
Yeah!
Congratulations on a more passionate guy you won't find. Father and son team at Supercar Sunday forever. Before he was driving, love you guys, go park the car.
Love you too, man. And we can park in a marquee too. I love you even more today. I say it all the time though, man. It's about respect. This whole community should be about respect. You know, good thing we all like different stuff. Good thing you got a guy like me who's willing to cut a car and make it stupid crazy like this. And you got a guy who's a purist like somebody like that, and a guy like Adam right there. It's about respect, right? Respect.
All about respect.
Let's respect each other's differences.
Hey, that's it.
That's it. You know what I always say, Dustin? It's a little different in cars, but if we all like the same girl, what would we be doing? We'd all be chasing the same girl. We'd be doing it now. That looks cool.
Make everything happen.
I'm gonna get me one of them.
Oh yeah.
See, then all I got's a kid with some arms. I told him use them like shock absorbers. Hey, you got Felix right here, a fan of the channel. He drives a 2017 automatic Camaro.
Yeah.
But we're gonna get this guy driving a manual before not too long, right?
Let's hope
you can
so,
do
right?
it, man. Nice meeting you, bro.
Nice meeting you.
Look at me, look at me. スーパーカーサンデーにすごい車が集まるんだよね。もうフェラリから日本車、旧車、アメ車、マッスルカーが多いんだけど、先ほどちょうどもう帰ろうとしたところで、見て、GTR はこんなに入ってきたんだよ。1、2、3、4、5、6、もう数えきれないほどGTR がたくさん来たんだよね。写真撮らせてもらったんだよね、この写真を。ほら、エアバッグ好きで日本車好きな人たちが、ほら、こんなに集まったぜ。嬉しいよね。新しい仲間もできたし、友達いっぱいもできるのと、そのためのこういうイベントがあるわけですよね。だから楽しいんですよね。こっちに来ると毎週新しい友達、新しい人との出会いができる、付き合いができるということは何よりすごい楽しいことなので、見て、これは最高です。最高。 皆さん SNS、Twitter、インスタ、Facebook などのフォローよろしくね。それとチャンネル登録もよろしくお願いします。ではまた次回までサムサムで。では。